Hello YouTube viewers, this is How To Project and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you on how to fix the "This site can't be reached" error from Chrome. So, nabasa ko kasi sa isang comment dun sa isang video ko na di daw ma-access dahil dun sa error na to. So, I decided to make a tutorial video on how to fix this error. So, let's start and get to the video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, when you are visiting any websites, "This site can be reached" error in Chrome browser is very common. Many Chrome browser users might be facing this error but are unaware about how to fix this error. So, there are many situations that might trigger this error in Chrome browsers. So, nangyayari to guys, yung error na to kung nag-fail yung DNS lookup natin. So, ano ba yung DNS guys? DNS is the network address that translates the website name to its internet address. Most often, it causes for not getting the internet connection or misconfigured internet or network settings. So, here are some possible solutions guys that could minimize or remove the error completely and takes you to your desired website to your Chrome browser. So, ang first solution natin guys is clearing up your browser cache history and cookies. So, open up your browser. At the top right of your browser, click nyo yung tatlong dot sa taas. Tapos, more tools. Then, click nyo yung clear browsing data. So, click natin yung basic. Tapos, sa basic, may mga boxes dito. I-check nyo lahat to, tapos clear data natin. So, on the advanced tab, choose a time range, and if you want to delete everything, select all nyo na lang. And then, click clear data. So, the next solution is reset Chrome settings. So, this solution gives you the option to reset your browser settings in one easy click. Doing this will erase all configuration information from Chrome such as your home page, tab settings, saved form information, browsing history, and cookies. So, open ulit tayo ng browser. Tapos, dun sa upper right, click ulit natin yung tatlong dot. Tapos, click natin yung settings. Then, click natin yung Advanced tab. So, on the Advanced tab, click nyo yung Reset and Clean Up. Tapos, click nyo yung Restore Settings. Then, click Reset Settings. So, if this still doesn't work for you guys, let's go to the next solution. So, the next solution is reset your Wi-Fi modem. In this process, you can easily reset your Wi-Fi modem manually. So first, unplug the power cord from the Wi-Fi router. Then, press and hold the reset button for about 10 to 15 seconds. Then, release the reset button after the lights on the modem start flickering. So if this still doesn't work for you guys, let's go to the next solution. So, ang next solution natin is restart DNS Client. So, ang gagawin nyo guys, go to search button, type nyo command prompt, then right click, run it as administrator. Tapos, kung naka-open na yung command prompt, type nyo yung net space stop space DNS cache to stop the service. So, it may take a few seconds guys for the DNS service to stop. At pag tapos na kayo guys, enter nyo ulit yung net space start space DNS cache para yung DNS client nyo guys mag-start ulit. So, if this still doesn't work for you guys, let's go to the next solution. So, try to change your IPv4 DNS address. To do that, go to your Wi-Fi icon, then right-click, click the Open Network and Internet Settings, then click the Change Adapter Options. Tapos, double-click nyo, makikita nyo yung box na to, guys. Tapos, click nyo yung Properties. Then, double-click nyo, guys, yung Internet Protocol version 4. Then, you have to check use the following DNS server addresses. Type nyo 8. Tapos, yung alternate DNS server niya is 8844. Tapos, click nyo lang yung OK. Tapos, click nyo ulit yung OK, guys. And then, close it. At kung hindi pa rin gumana to sa inyo, guys, try natin ulit yung next solution. So, the other way to fix the error, guys, is to remove browser extension from Chrome. So, ang gagawin nyo, guys, open nyo yung Chrome browser nyo. Then, click nyo yung tatlong dot sa taas, sa upper right, guys. Then, click nyo yung More Tools. Then, click nyo yung Extensions. Then, disable the extension one by one, guys. And confirm if a browser extension is responsible for the particular error and remove it. So, if this solution still doesn't work for you guys, try this next solution. So, the next solution is reset TCP or IP. To reset your IP or TCP, go to your search box, then type in command or CMD, and then right click it and run it as administrator. At kung nasa command prompt na kayo, guys, type nyo yung NETSH space INT space IP space reset, and then hit enter. Tapos antayin nyo lang, guys, na matapos yung reset process nya. Tapos pag okay na siya, guys, i-restart nyo yung computer nyo and go to the website again to see if it works. At kung ayaw pa rin, guys, try nyo ulit tong next na solution natin. So yung next na solution natin, guys, is yung Reinstall Network Adapter Drivers. So, ang gagawin nyo, guys, punta kayo sa Start button and click on Device Manager, and under the Device Manager, look for the network adapters and expand it. And then right-click the network connection you are using and select Uninstall. And then restart your PC and the drivers will get installed automatically. Then try open website again. So the next possible solution is scan your device for malware. So for example, guys, the computer you are using may be infected with malware which is interfering with your network connection. For example, guys, some malwares installs a proxy server to capture and redirect internet traffic through the malicious proxy server. So this type of malware causes this site can't be reached error in Chrome browser. So kailangan nating scan yung device natin, guys, para maiwasan natin yung mga errors na ganito. And finally, the last solution that I have is reinstall your Chrome. Go to your search button and search for add and remove programs, and then look for Google Chrome and uninstall it from your computer. And once done, go to your drive C and then users, Then click the folder name of your computer. Then look for the app data. Then open it and double click the local folder, and then look for the Google folder. Open it and then delete all the files in this folder. And once done, you have to reinstall the Google Chrome in your PC. And now try to open a website again to see if it works. So there you go, guys. Thank you for watching, and if this video is helpful, please don't forget to leave a comment down below. And please don't forget to like this video and also subscribe for more helpful how-to videos like this. So see you again next time, guys. Bye bye.